Duh. Okay. I hear the sound of the morning under the light of the sky. I hear the bells tolling. I wonder not the reason why. I walk along the path of ancients. I hear the voices in my soul. They whisper softly through the leaves, and to the ground they softly fall. I hear the horses in the valley. They know the battle is yet won. They wait gallantly for orders. They know the king has not yet come. My shield was forged in the powers beyond the clouds of this realm. My fears have made my sword stronger, and I will fight for Bethlehem. After the cries and the glory, the mist rolls by in crimson red. I see the flags nobly waving. They fan the tombs of the dead. Once valiant knights fought bravely, their faith the captain at their helm. Pray fast the reaper, do not take thee, for the boatman at the harbor waiting shan't want his coins to be withheld. Your sword a hero will not make thee, and bravery may not make thee bold. What have ye done of merit lately? Will be the heart of stories told.